What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to break down how I found a product that makes over $20,000 a month on Amazon in less than 10 minutes. I'm also going to show you how I found another product that makes over $60,000 a month on Amazon and include both of the ways that I found these products. Now, if you didn't know, finding a product is the hardest part of the whole process of selling on Amazon, but it is still possible to find good products to sell on Amazon. It just takes time and different techniques. And here's proof that you can still do very well on Amazon in 2024. This is one of my students who is selling a product on Amazon, and he cracked over 200,000 in sales in under 7 months. So shout out to Steven. Not everybody has these results, but if you find a good product, anything is possible and you could grow your Amazon business from one product. All right, guys, so one of the things that I like to do occasionally is go to Amazon, and I always check the new releases tab right here. And then I like to choose a category that I'm familiar with. So I like selling products in home and kitchen, office, patio, lawn, and garden. You never know what will pop up in these different categories under new releases. Now, it's great to check the new releases because Amazon is basically showing you new products on Amazon that are doing very well. This can help you find products in a market that is not too competitive where you could get sales right at the start. So I'll go to home and kitchen. And what I like to do is scroll around and look at all the different new releases in this category. Now, obviously, it is springtime when I'm doing this video, so I'm not going to sell any type of tool for outside. I'm not going to sell an umbrella. That's a huge product. I'm not going to sell furniture. I'm not going to sell glass. I am looking for smaller products that might have potential. So I found this product right here. It's called an ice cube tray for tumbler. And I noticed they only have 28 reviews, and they're getting a number 11 badge in the new releases on Amazon in this category. So I'm going to click on it and see how much they are making. Right here we could see they're selling them for 20 bucks, and they've sold over 3,000 of these in the last month. So they only have 28 reviews, and they've already made over 60,000 in sales selling this product, and it popped up on Amazon's new releases. Now from here, we could go to Helium 10's extension. If you don't know what Helium 10 is, it is a tool for Amazon sellers, and it shows all this different data. They are running a promo, so check it out down below in the description if you want to get a discount on Helium 10. But right here, we could see that they created this listing on March 7th. Now that is less than 1 month ago, and they're already doing 60,000 in sales in the first month. So that is pretty crazy. From here, what I would do is go right here and take the main keyword, which is typically at the top of the listing. I will copy it. And then now I could see all the other sellers selling this type of product on Amazon. Now we could see even this seller with only 1 review, they're not even doing Amazon Prime. They got over 200 sales in the last month. This person with no reviews sold over 50 of these in the last month. So you get the point. A lot of these sellers are brand new on Amazon, and they are getting tons of sales because it's a brand new market. Now, the only scary thing is we don't know how long this trend will last. Just like the fidget spinner or the Ziploc bag organizer, we don't know how long people are going to be searching for this product. But right now, people who are selling these are selling them like crazy. And yeah, you can see they all have low reviews, and they are getting great sales on Amazon. So that is one way to find a potential product. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon and additional ways of finding products, make sure to check out my program. I do teach this stuff like I mentioned in the beginning, but this is just one way that I use to look for products. Now, that is not the main thing that I wanted to show you in this video. I just happened to stumble upon that product. Here's a different way to find a product inside of Amazon. So instead of going to new releases right here, what we do is go over to all, and then you will see this tab right here called movers and shakers. This is pretty close to the new releases, but they're showing you products that have increased their sales velocity in the last 24 hours. This is great because they're showing you products that are moving quick on Amazon and have increased their sales over the last day. And you can see that right here, our biggest gainers in sales rank over the last 24 hours. And it's updated frequently, so if you check this tomorrow, you might see different products. So what I do is I go to a category. For this one, I will just choose a random category instead of home and kitchen. Let's go to the handmade products. So we're going to click on that and see what is moving fast on Amazon. We can see there's a lot of different products here. Custom baptism favor tags. I wouldn't sell those. X-ray marker adhesive. I'm not sure what that is. a reusable durable plastic charcuterie fillable number. So instead of like a tray, it's like a number where people could put their crackers in. I don't know why people would buy that. Random products like these duck plugs. Here's like a weird pen holder. Let's see if people are actually buying these. Over 300 people bought this weird looking pen holder. They're selling for $12.50, and you could probably get them manufactured for very cheap. And then this product right here, it's called a Positive Emotional Support Pickle. They have 54 reviews, so I'm going to click on this one, and we could see over 50 people bought these in the last month. Not great, but from here, what we could do is go to Amazon. Right now, we're in the handmade category, so not many people sell in that category. Let's see if they're actually selling these in different categories on Amazon. So what I'll do is I will take the main keyword, which is probably emotional support pickle, and then we will paste it on Amazon at the top and then see what the overall market looks like. So right here, we can see there are other sellers selling the same exact pickle, but they are all getting sales on Amazon. So that's pretty crazy. This person sold over 900 of these in the last month. This person sold over 100 of these in the last month. And then we could see there's other types of support crochet type products. So there's like potatoes. I don't know what this is, a lemon. This one's like asparagus or whatever it is. So you can see there's a bunch of different people selling these on Amazon. So from here, what I would do is I would go to the top of the page and I'd run Helium 10 X-Ray, which is the Chrome extension that I always use. Again, it's all part of Helium 10. But we could see 41,000 people are searching emotional support pickle in the last month. So we could go down here. Let's see what the top seller is doing in sales. Looks like they're doing around pretty low revenue. So that might not be a good market. It might not also be the main keyword. So what we could do is go to the top seller right here, and then I will run Cerebro to figure out what keywords people are using to buy this product, and it might pull up additional products that we could sell on Amazon. All right, so now the tool that I'm using, it's called Cerebro. What it does is it finds the keywords that people are typing in to buy this product, and we could see down here, let's actually go to the search volume tab and click highest to lowest. And let's go down here. So emotional support pickle is going to be the top keyword for this market. Let's go to this one. Over 2,000 people bought this one in the last month. They did drop their price pretty low. So typically when everybody sells the same exact product, they will drop their price. You could see this emotional support pickle right here. This one seller is making $20,000 a month selling this weird looking pickle. But what I want to do is go back to that main keyword and look at other things. For example, here's emotional support fries. What Do You Meme is a big brand, but they're selling over 3,000 of these in the last month. So maybe we could find a different type of product like this one right here. Look at that. 700 people bought this person's product. They're selling a pickle, a positive potato, and a fine apple. Yeah, 700 people bought these. Why would people buy them? I don't know. But they are the #1 new release, and they sell, instead of just the pickle by itself, they are selling these, and they're making over 10,000 a month, and they only have 7 reviews. So now I went from a pickle to finding these other types of emotional support, whatever you want to call them. Now from here, what I could do is I could go over to Alibaba and see how much they are to manufacture. So I don't really know what they're called. It's like a crochet animal, but if you don't know what they're called, go to Alibaba, click on this little camera icon. Now we go back to Amazon, click on the picture, drag it over to Alibaba, drop it right here, and now it's going to show you all the manufacturers that make this type of product. So we could see they have this one right here, which is the fine apple. They're selling for as low as 46 cents. They have all these different animals and whatever characters on here as well. So instead of selling a pickle, you could do a pineapple, a grape, or a eggplant, whatever it is. So now you could see all the different types of crochet type animals, and maybe you could find something that is not already being sold on Amazon, and you could jump in the market by doing that. All right, guys, so that's a couple different methods that I like to do when I'm doing product research. Every week or so, I go to those tabs on Amazon to find potential products that are new. And that is how I found these few products that I showed you guys today. Again, if you need help finding a product to sell on Amazon, I do offer coaching. I have a full step-by-step program with many methods on how to find a product. So you can find all that information down below in the description. But that is going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.